So to get set up, the first thing you're going to need to do is click on the TinkerCAD link right here and use your Google login to sign in. Go out and do that now and then come back. So the next thing you'll do is click on this link that says TinkerCAD Join Class. You'll get a screen that says, "This is me." Go ahead and click "That's me." You can go ahead and log in. That'll can log you into my class and it'll put you in there so that you can work. Then click on the circuits link on the left-hand side and create a new circuit. The first two things that we're going to need are a breadboard and an Arduino board. So I'm going to type in Arduino first. And grab this Arduino Uno 3. I'm going to drag it out to the screen and then use this little icon right underneath that TinkerCAD logo. I'm going to click that icon a couple of times until I rotate it around and the plug is at the top. The next thing I'm going to search over here on the side is for a breadboard. You want the small breadboard, so I'm going to drag it out to the screen. And then once again, use that same tool to rotate it around so that it's with the letters at the top. Go ahead and do that now. So the next piece we're going to do is add some wires. The first wire I'm going to add is from the 13 pin right here to A6. So I'm going to click on 13 and then I'm going to click on A6. I'm not dragging, I'm just clicking at this point and then clicking at this point, and it'll put the line in between. I do want to switch the color of that one to red. The next wire I'm going to add is from ground, G and D, right above that 13, to A1. And I'm going to change that color to black. Go ahead and do that now. The next piece that I'm going to do is find a resistor. So I'm going to start typing in resist, and that's probably all I'm going to need, and I'll see resistor pop up in my list of words. I can click it. Here's my resistor. I'm going to grab it, and I'm going to put it in column C with that top pin in C1 right there. Okay. The next thing I need to do is set this to 330 ohms. You definitely want to make sure that you get this correct. It should be brown, orange, orange if you've done it correct, with a bright gold kind of color up here at the top. If you get anything other than what you see here, you haven't got your resistance set up correct. So 330 and just plain ohms. Do that now. The last component that we're going to add is the LED. So we'll type in LED. I'm just going to grab a red LED, put it out here on the page somewhere, and then I'm going to use the rotate tool until it points to the right. Then I'm going to place it so that the flat line is in B5 and the curved line is in B6. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that. So it's pointing to the right, and the straight wire is going into B5, and then that little hooked curved wire is going into B6 right here. Okay, go back and fix yours so that it looks like that. Now I can move this page by clicking anywhere in a blank space that doesn't have a component. I'm just going to move it over to the side. Then I'm going to click the code button. And I'm going to switch from blocks to text. It's going to give me a little warning. That's fine. I can click OK, continue. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Start Simulation. If my LED blinks, it's correct. Now I can go to the bottom of the page. I can figure out how to do a screenshot and get my screenshot submitted. Okay. Do that now.